Howdy guys, it's Dom here from Neighbourhood. Are you looking to further nurture prospective leads that have engaged with your ads? Perhaps you're wanting to set up a remarketing campaign to get people over the line. Well, this is where creating a list based on ad interactions will pay dividends. And we're going to show you how to today. As a heads up, this is available for all hubs. If you're keen on more practical support inside HubSpot, Neighbourhood offer a comprehensive, easy to follow course so you're making the most out of HubSpot. Stay tuned for more info at the end of this video. If you want to take your learning offline though, we'll include a downloadable PDF in the description below. First things first, we're going to head into the list tool. So from the main menu, contacts, and then down to lists. And then we're going to create a new list today. There's no reason you can't update an existing list of yours with something like this if you want to. I'm going to call this ad interactions example. And I'm going to make this an active list. You can make it a static list if you'd want. That wouldn't have much of an impact. We're going to hit the add filter button, and then over here on the right hand side, we're going to scroll down to where it says ad interactions. And this is sort of the options we have to play with. There are only 3 types of ad service, let's call it, or channel that link into HubSpot and are integrated with this tool right now: Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn. So you're limited to just using those ones. However, if you do use those ones and have them connected up to HubSpot, that's an important point, is that it has to be connected up to HubSpot for this to work. Then you'll be able to use any of the following for that account. So for example, things like bringing in ad IDs, bringing in ad names, campaign IDs you can see here. Scrolling down further, things like LinkedIn have ad types, ad names, etc. You have a few different options. It really depends on how you've set up your ad campaigns, ad sets, and ads in the various channels. We've set up the Facebook one for this example, so I'm going to use that as my example. So I'm going to say Facebook ad set ID, and then here we can pull a full list of all of the different ad sets that we've got in our ad account in Facebook that has been pulled into HubSpot. So let's say, for example, this one here. And then maybe I want to go through and get more specific and add in, broader. An or rule makes things broader. So maybe I want to say if they came through that Facebook ad set or this Google type, same deal. And you can basically just build out your list using those tools as best you see fit. Once you've got the list, world's your oyster. You can put them into something like remarketing, send them an email, do whatever you want. But that's a quick and easy way to build a list in HubSpot out of the information you have in your ad channel. And there you have it. Now you know how to create a list based on ad interactions. If you're wanting to make the most out of HubSpot, Neighbourhood offer a step-by-step course covering marketing, sales, service, and CMS Hub in depth, ensuring you and your team are best serving your customers while developing efficient internal processes. We'll include a link for this below. As well, if you're after a PDF version of this for later, or you're passing it on to a mate in need, we'll include a link in the description. If you gain value from this video or are keen to learn more about HubSpot, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. But for now, happy HubSpotting.